Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that y over x, they are degrees number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we have v. That is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one gone here and here. This one we change by this one. This one we have v. So we need to simplify v and v for the both sides. Next, I will put tan v go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So this one we can change by cosine v, and cosine v that is about cosine v over sine v. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of sine v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change this one for here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.